So I bought a new keyboard and it shows up now from Amazon. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna open this keyboard.
Instead na kasi 15% o 18% kasi yung dapat 18% yung nire-referral yung value yung meron na. So yung Calex wala.
Okay, this is my new keyboard. Yes. It's a yes. Holy smoke! Holy smoke! Holy smoke!
Gusto niyang tumingin, gusto din niyang tingnan yung account niya.
Account ko naman yan kasi
Google Authenticator din.
Set up mo na. My new keyboard. Hopefully this would work. I'm gonna install it to my Mac Pro. Okay, here it is. Our new keyboard. I don't know if you can see that. We'll see what's the function of these keys. If you play, if we play, see, that's how you turn off. And oh shit, this is cool. There you go. How do you light it? What the heck? Oh, it's like that. You need to be careful. Uh-huh. What the heck? It's got a mind of its own, folks. There you go. Anyway, I'm gonna try to play music here. Let's see if it can control the sound. Oh, it controls the sound, the volume. This is the volume. Come on. See if that's. What's this? Ah, this controls the lights. See? Different design. See? Anyway, I don't want to be get copyrighted. I mean, not too bad actually. It's not too bad. My problem before was the N. I don't have an N key, so I mean this would work for now. It's only $100. I like it. Okay, I'm gonna type again. Not too bad. I mean, not bad for $100. I actually like it. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need coins, let me know. Comment below. I'll send you some coins if you need coins. I have Calyx coin and Pera coin. Okay, Pera. I have Calyx coin and Pera coin. Thank you, and message me your Solana wallet address. If you have a Solana wallet, like Phantom wallet, message me.